Hi Planet Bestie, welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Frugal, also known as Karen. In this video, I am doing an unboxing of Happy Meal that I received from Cloth and Paper from their new CP Open Collection. If this is something that interests you, hopefully you join in, you subscribe, and stay until the end. Hi Bestie, how you doing? Hopefully you're having an awesome day today. Hopefully you're having an awesome week as well. I received more Happy Mail from Cloth and Paper. I did order a few things from their new open collection, and we're gonna dive in to see what I actually got. So did you order anything from the open collection? And if you did, leave in the comments what did you get, and have you got it already? And if so, what's your thoughts on the products that you got? So normally when I get Cloth and Paper orders, I really don't never go into this to keep folder, but I'm trying to make a habit of going in that particular folder right here, just in case there might be something that I might miss, because typically I don't look at it, I just go straight to the products. So let's go ahead and check everything out that I got. So I had to get the racket pen, and I definitely wanted that. And then I definitely wanted this clip. Oh my gosh, guys. I definitely wanted this clip. But let's go back to this racket. I wanted the racket because my mother used to play tennis. And as soon as I saw it, it made me think of my mom and all the things she used to love to do. My mom used to play tennis and softball. So I was excited to get this. And plus, I am in my green era that I'm loving all green things for my planners, and I thought this would be a great addition to my planner. And then guys, when I saw this paperclip, I absolutely wanted it, and the texture of it, I absolutely love it. It's different. And it's definitely different for Cloth and Paper because you know the aesthetic that Cloth and Paper gives. So I'm excited that I was able to get this clip. So I could not resist to getting this one as well. So the clip names are Match Day in Court. This green is definitely different, this olive type of green. And I just can't resist getting this one neither, guys. And I'm so glad that I got both clips. I love this, and I cannot wait to add this to my planner. So I did go ahead and get the dot stickers in both colors as well. Like I said, this color is just totally different for Cloth and Paper. So I'm absolutely looking forward to utilizing those. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open up the next box so you can see the last item that I purchased. So during Happy Hour last week, they had announced that the Planet Clip had sold out. And if I had never caught the live and been there on time, I probably would have missed out as well. So I wonder how many did they have on stock, because they sold quick. And hopefully they end up restocking them, because it seemed like a lot of people wanted it. Okay, I am loving this box that this planner came in, and it has on here from Virginia. Loving this. I'm loving the package. And I do like this sticker as well. So this is what I get. I ordered the foundation, agenda, and personal size. The quality of this agenda is extremely nice. Like I said a few minutes ago, I am in my green era. I don't know what it is with the planner and the green. I absolutely loving this. And I am so glad that I got this agenda. Look at this storage. I absolutely love this. And I think I have decided for 2025 that I am going back to a personal ring planner. It's still kind of early to decide on that, but I'm thinking that's what I plan on doing. The personal ring size planner for 2025 and my pocket agenda. Guys, I am loving this agenda. I'm loving this. And then I love that the rings are a nice size. So this can definitely be a chunky planner. So let me go ahead and add my racket to this. Not sure if I'm going to keep that in this planner. Not sure yet. But I absolutely love this. And I'm so glad that I got this. So thank you so much for watching my unboxing of my Happy Mail from Cloth and Paper. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload another video. Toodles!